Are you wondering how to sell branding and logo design services in Vendasta? Stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage the power of Vendasta's platform to offer these services to clients effectively and increase your sales all in under 5 minutes. You'll want to stay until the end for a special bonus offer too, so make sure you don't miss out. Now, you might be thinking, how exactly does Vendasta fit into selling branding and logo design services? Well, the first thing to know is that Vendasta is an all in one platform for marketing, automation, and client management. It's perfect for businesses like yours, whether you're an agency or a solo entrepreneur, because it streamlines everything you need to sell and deliver services like branding and logo design. Next thing, let's talk about Vendasta's marketplace. Vendasta has a massive marketplace filled with digital services, and you can easily position branding and logo design as part of your service offering. With Vendasta, you can list your services directly within their marketplace, giving you access to a large pool of potential customers who are already looking for these kinds of services. That's a huge advantage. Moving on, let's look at how you can set up your service. In Vendasta, you can create custom packages that include branding and logo design services, and you can make them as simple or complex as you like. Whether you're offering a basic logo design or a full rebranding package, the platform lets you set everything up quickly and effectively. The fourth thing to note is the automation features. Vendasta allows you to automate your sales process, so once you set up your branding and logo design packages, you can automatically send proposals, contracts, and invoices to clients, saving you time. This means once you land a client, you can focus on delivering the service, not on the paperwork. The next thing is about client relationships. Vendasta offers CRM tools to help you manage your client base, track communications, and schedule follow-ups. This means you'll always be on top of your client relationships and can quickly respond to new inquiries, making it easier to convert leads into sales for your branding and logo design services. The sixth thing is the reporting. Vendasta provides detailed reports on your clients' usage, meaning you'll be able to track how well your branding and logo design services are performing. You can show clients the return on their investment, which builds trust and increases your chances of getting repeat business. And finally, here's the kicker. You can try Vendasta completely free by using the first link in the description below. And as an exclusive bonus, if you sign up now, you'll get an extended free trial to get you started without any risk. To sum up, Vendasta simplifies how to sell branding and logo design services by providing an integrated platform that manages everything from listing your services to automating client communication. If you're ready to start offering these services more effectively and efficiently, make sure to click that link below for your free trial and exclusive bonus. Now that you know how to use Vendasta to sell branding and logo design services, it's time to take action and start boosting your sales today.